Today we're going pro for the 9th time. That almost makes us like a hero. Get it? It's the GoPro Hero 9. Let's unbox it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today in front of me, I have the highly anticipated GoPro HERO9 Black. This is the latest and greatest action camera from GoPro. I figured to get my hands on one, unbox it. So let's do just that. First things first, quick look at the box and the packaging. You have the GoPro HERO9 Black logo, GoPro logo, Hyper Smooth 3.0, a feature you're getting in the Hero 9, along with some tech specs down there, 20 megapixels, 5K 30 and 4K 60 video recording formats, as well as your 33 feet depth and 1080p live streaming, just to rattle off a couple features of this bad boy right here. If you turn it over, you get a whole lot more. On the other side, little diagram and breakdown of everything that's coming in the box. And then on the back, you just have what it looks like when you're using the GoPro app with your GoPro. Some more information on the bottom and just the 9 on the top. So it's like kind of like like not really a box, kind of just like a cover, because you see like the little GoPro Hero 9 case peeking out. So anyway, let's unbox it. On the bottom, we do have a little tab action here. So there it is. And then you'll see that allows us to remove the GoPro box. Well, not the box, the GoPro itself, canvas box. Here, we get to remove it like this. Ooh! Okay, that was like a ghost. That was not angelic choirs at all. Trying to make it sound like angelic choirs going, ah, you know, like hallelujah. Did not sound like that. So here we go, here is the GoPro Hero 9 Black to go travel case. There it is, the GoPro Hero 9 Black, looking as sexy as ever. So before we get to the action camera itself, let's see what else comes in the box. You are getting your USB-C to USB-A charging cable, so nice that the GoPro Hero 9 is USB-C based. So you get that. It's not the longest cable, but what is that, like a foot? 1 foot USB-C to USB-A cable. You're also getting your GoPro Hero 9 battery. You're definitely gonna need that. Be careful here. There's a little tab, and my first instinct is always to rip that off, but that's actually to help you put it in and take it out of the GoPro. So I learned that in the past. Don't remove that little tab thing if you have one there, because that's important. And then you are getting a couple different, well, that's just a, there was something holding something together that is no longer holding something together. So you get a couple other different mount accessories also in the box. So here's what you're looking at. Cool little way to get started on mounting your GoPro to something. So keep those handy. And then if I'm not mistaken, yeah, nothing else beneath that. All that we have left is the camera itself. But in this little pouch up here, we do have some more information. Probably should have talked about this first. Got a little excited. The GoPro subscription service, which you could check out just by, you know, scanning that QR code. Underneath that, you have a quick little quick start guide explaining how to start the GoPro right off the bat, how to turn it on. Ooh, some GoPro stickers, I like that. And then you do have an important product and safety instructions manual, which you could read through if you so choose to do so. And then the last thing we have is the actual GoPro itself, with some cellophane removal that we can indeed do. So let me clear off the space, put these off nicely to the side. This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. You can see it's packed very securely and covered very nicely so that it's gonna arrive in pristine condition. We have a little cellophane covering the lens. Oh, little cellophane covering the front-facing display. We'll quickly flip it over. We have a little cellophane covering the back display. I've never ripped cellophane off of a product like that before. That was somewhat satisfying, but at the same time, somewhat unsatisfying. Anyway, then you have one last little cellophane removal thing, which is kind of just like a surrounding, it's not even cellophane, it's like plastic. Plastic protecting the GoPro around the exterior, so that is removed. The entire plastic cellophane covering removed. And that leaves us with this, the GoPro Hero 9 itself. Feels like a GoPro, feels of good quality. We've got a lot going on in this camera that I'm so excited to test and put to the review, that I'm so excited to review and put to the test. Let's turn this puppy on, shall we? Battery in. Oh, that's the wrong way. Battery in, cha-ching, close it down, secure. Well, the battery is dead, so we have to charge up the battery. Oh no, it's not, it's on. Here we go, look at it, it's us. Wow, nice little Hero 9 Black logo cutout type thing on the front facing display there. You turn it around, oh, we're good to go. And you have a little menu walkthrough here. English, agree to the legal stuff, GPS on, and we are in. We're good to go. All sorts of menu options here, a lot to dive into. Only 5% battery remaining, so we gotta charge this puppy up. But look at that, that's the front facing display right there. Say hi, hi. That's you guys, that's you in the front facing display. From a design perspective, pretty simple here. You just have your built-in mounting hardware right there to mount this GoPro, which is pretty cool that you have that. On the side, you have this little put away side compartment here, which houses your battery, your micro SD card, and your USB-C charging slot to charge up the camera. That tucks away nicely. And then on the other side, pretty simple. You just have your power and mode button along with the Hero 9 Black logo. On the top, your record and take photo button. And then of course, on the very front, you have your front-facing display, the GoPro logo, and that beautiful lens that will be capturing all sorts of miraculous, marvelous footage, one would hope. So that is pretty much it. That is the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Obviously, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that when the review of this bad boy finally drops, you are one of the first to know. And of course, if you guys are interested in finding out more about the GoPro Hero 9 Black, or just to cop one for yourself, you guys could head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Hero9Black, bmac.link/Hero9Black, or of course, as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. I'm gonna go put this thing to the test, start getting all the shots I possibly can on this thing. I gotta get my selfie game ready because of the selfie camera with the little front-facing display now. I gotta practice, gotta get ready for this. I will see you guys in my next video. Say cheese. Do people actually say cheese anymore when taking a photo? Or is that just like a 90s thing? Cheese. Maybe.